Fractions can be tricky. One moment they look different, the next they mean the same thing. And sometimes you just can't tell which is bigger. But today we are going to fix all that. By the end of this video, you will understand equivalent fractions, how to simplify, expand, and compare fractions without memorizing a single thing. Imagine I have three pizzas of the same size. I cut one into two. I cut the second one into four and I cut the third one into eight. Half of this will give 1/2. That is half of the one that I cut into two. Half of the one that I cut into four will give half of it will give 2/4. While half of the one that I cut into eight will give 4/8. You will realize that I didn't get more pizza here and here. I only get more smaller sizes. They all look different, but they are the same amount of pizza. That is equivalent fraction. 1/2 is the same as 2/4 and is the same thing as 4/8. Though they look different, but they are the same amount. This means dividing both the numerator and denominator by the same number. Now, can we simplify 4/8? Yes, because we can divide both 4 and 8 by 4. So this now will give 4 divided by 4 over 8 divided by 4. And the answer will be 1/2. So that means 1/2 is equivalent to 4/8. Now let's go the other way. Expanding fractions means multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the same number. To simplify, you divide by the same number. To expand, you multiply by the same number. Now, if you multiply 1/2 by, let's multiply the numerator by 3 and multiply the denominator by 3. It can be any number. This will give 3/6. This means that 3/6 is equivalent to 1/2. The secret is that whatever you do to the numerator must be done to the denominator. Now it's your turn. Simplify 6/12 and expand 1/3 by 4. Leave your answer in the comments. Now let's compare fractions. These two fractions do not have the same denominator. If they have the same denominator, it will be easier to know which one is bigger and which one is smaller. But now that they don't have the same denominator, we have to make sure we have to express them in a way that they will have the same denominator. Now, for us to do that, we have to look at this. What is the lowest common multiple of 3 and 4? That is, which number will 3 and 4 go in without remainder? The smallest number, that will be 12. So we will multiply the first one by 4. That is, when we are multiplying this one by 4, that means we have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator. So that means we'll be saying 2 times 4 over 3 times 4. And this will give 8/12. And the second one, we will multiply it by 3, by the denominator of this one, so that we will be having 3 times 3 over 4 times 3, and this will give 9/12. Now that they both have the same denominator, we can compare and we can tell which one is bigger. Now, which one is bigger? Since 9/12 is bigger than 8/12, that means 3/4 is greater than 2/3. So that is how to compare two fractions. Now it's your turn. Which is greater, 3/8 or 5/10? Let me know in the comments. In the next video, we will make adding and subtracting fractions easy. So make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel and put on the notification bell so you will not miss out when the next video is out.